Hi everyone, I have found this interesting scam website called Bit.xanrex.cc. It popped out of nowhere, and I want to share with you a few tips on how this thing works and also warn you so you won't get your money stolen. And here I am at the screen. You may have found yourself staring at a notification about me having 1.34 Bitcoin accumulated from my participation in cryptocurrency mining, which I never ever participated in, but anyways, it's almost 120,000 bucks at the moment, and such a sum is not something any of us can easily refuse. Let me just click continue, and it instantly shows me warning about my account being due for deletion because I did not log in for almost a year, and to keep the money, I need to immediately proceed with logging in. So let's click accept and continue. And the website sends us right to the login form. Wow, which it conveniently contains login and password field for us. Again, I never visited this site before, and I never made usernames like that, but whatever, these useless facts from my brain should not distract me from grabbing a truckload of cash that this website promises. Whatever, let's sign in finally. And as you can see, it says the account holds 1.3426 Bitcoin, just as promised, but we're also eligible for some bonuses. We may as well collect them, and that would take some time. Right, we can review what else we have here in the meantime. Below it seems like the list of our incoming payments for the mining, and to prove that everything here is 100% legitimate, there is also a user chat window which is full of definitely not AI chatbots speaking to each other. And oh, there are social media links with subscriber counts, and predictably, none of them seem to work, but I have absolutely no doubt they really have social media because they would never put logos of famous social media just to make their website look more legit, wouldn't they? And a few minutes later, it looks like I've claimed everything my account was eligible for. The only option now is to get paid, which I click, and it sends us to a chat with Chairman Sofian, who is the head of payout operations at this pristine establishment. And what do you know? We do not even have the ability to type our own answer. It's just buttons yes, no, and I do not remember. Right, let's say I do not remember, and aha. It now fetches some data, pretends to fetch some data at least, and now it offers me to fill a form which is definitely secure, and data from it would never end up in the hands of some wild rascals. And well, I just fill it with some generic data because I'm curious to see what's next. And the card number you see is just from the top of my head. Don't think I put anything near the real card number here. And send the form to the manager. Okay, wonder what she would say about it. Software is happy about this data, and now she says we would need to convert Bitcoin into dollars through Binance, which will take 0.25 commission fee. Well, whatever. Um, it now sends me to the page with final details. It says 0.12% commission instead of 0.25%, but all right, whatever, it's just 64 bucks. And yeah, it seems like that is it. Exchange Bitcoin, I guess. And it sends me to the Bitmaster.cc page, which is a crypto payment system I never heard about. Great, that's exactly the page I'm willing to share my name, email, and phone at. Anyway, this is the actual endpoint of this scam, and I will not move on because it is absolutely clear what this site is doing. It lures people into sending this commission fee and sends absolutely nothing, not even a penny, because the money they promised you do not exist to begin with. That entire formula does coincide with quite a lot of crypto scams you can encounter online. They promise you big payouts for a small commission fee, but after you pay the fee, you never see the money and never hear from them again. And that is it for today. I hope this video was informative or even saved you from sending your own cash to scammers. Have a good one and take care.